Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analysts' choices for today.
Wall Street tumbled as investors dumped big tech and other growth stocks in the face of rising Treasury yields, while concerns about a potential U.S. government debt default offered another reason for caution. Bitcoin is making a push back to $50,000 for the first time since El Salvador's checked rollout of the largest cryptocurrency as legal tender at the start of September. More bleeding in technology stocks pushed Apple Inc. into correction territory, making it the third of the 5 mega-cap tech companies to fall more than 10% from peaks earlier this year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 GMT. Japan's 10-year bond auction at 0335 GMT. Spain's Market Services PMI will be released at 0715 GMT. The U.S. Market Services PMI at 1345 GMT. The UK's Market Services PMI at 0830 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.